Nimbag nga rabi tayo amin apo. So our Governor Macho Marcos Manoto. So our Congressman Angelo Marcos Barba. So Vice Governor Cecilia Araneta Marcos. So Apo Bukal Rafael Chua Medina. Apo Bukal Jonathan Toralba. Apo Bukal Gian Crisostomo. At atipay Apo Daytay Presidente iti Mamayor iti probinsya ng Ilocos Norte, Mayor iti Ili nga Dingras, Mayor Jeffrey Sagid, members of the Sangguniang Bayan, headed by Attorney Ferdinand Ignacio, members of the Board of Judges, to all the 31 barangay officials, headed by ABC President Romel Ragual, to all the SK officials, headed by PPSK President Lisette Charm Cabel, to the Municipal Tourism Council, headed by Punong Barangay Estanislao Bagayas, to Father Romualde Batuon, to our dear Balikbayans, thank you for coming home for our Guling-Guling Festival. Dagiti ay attend me, nga senior citizens, of course, at atipay Apo, ni MMSU President, Dr. Virgilio Julius Manzano Jr., to our Provincial Police Director, Police Colonel Frederick Ubar, to all our generous sponsors, to the different contingents, to our deaf and family, kadagiti amin, nga bisbisita, amin nga datoy Apo, kang unaan, dikita buy-buya, iti live, iti Facebook page tayo, dagiti amin, nga Paway Municipio family, other guests, amin nga taga-Paway, na imbag nga rabi tayo amin Apo. Guling-Guling Festival is more than just a celebration. It is the heartbeat of our heritage, a vivid and living cultural tradition that we, Pawayeños, proudly uphold. This festival, which has been passed down through centuries, carries within the faith, identity, and resilience of our people. We are deeply grateful for our forefathers and the generations before us for their dedication to preserving this treasured tradition, allowing us to experience and pass on to the next. This is why we must remain steadfast in our commitment to ensure that Guling-Guling thrives for generations to come. Guling-Guling is not just a festival only. It is a jewel of our history, a source of pride of every Pawayeño, whether here in our hometown or across the globe. This grand celebration serves as a remarkable testament to the rich cultural heritage we truly love. And it simply would not be possible without the unwavering support of visionary leaders and dedicated institutions that advocate tirelessly for our collective history and tradition. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Governor Macho Marcos Manoto and the provincial government of Ilocos Norte for their steadfast support. Your commitment to our community is evident in every initiative undertaken to enhance the well-being of our residents and to uplift our beloved town. To our dear Governor, Sir, we thank you for consistently prioritizing Tawai in your agenda. Your passion for promoting our local culture, paired with your focus on tourism and infrastructure development, has made a lasting impact in our progress. Whether it's through enhancing our historical sites, supporting local businesses, or investing in sustainable economic initiatives, Poway remains at the forefront of your vision for a thriving province. Your leadership inspires us to take pride in our heritage and to actively participate in initiatives that celebrate our unique identity. We feel truly fortunate to have you championing the values and tradition that defines us, ensuring that Poway continues to flourish as a cultural hub for generations to come. Thank you, sir, for your unwavering dedication and support. To our dear Senator Amy Marcos, Ma'am, thank you for your unwavering commitment and generosity. Your efforts have uplifted our community time and again. To our beloved President, President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr., we are forever grateful for the assistance and support that you have provided for our town. To our dear Congressman Angelo Marcos Barba, indeed, your help in ensuring that these cultural traditions, since your instinct in the Sangguniang Panlalawigan as Vice Governor and now as our representative to Congress, has always been remarkable. Your commitment to promoting and safeguarding our cultural heritage has played a vital role in ensuring that this tradition continue to thrive within our community. Thank you very much, sir, for being a steadfast ally in our efforts to nurture and celebrate our cultural identity. To the members of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan, headed by Vice Governor Cecilia Araneta Marcos, Ma'am, your leadership and dedication inspires us. Our heartfelt gratitude goes out to all of you for being part of Poway's success. We also acknowledge the National Commission for Culture and the Arts and the Department of Tourism. Your continued support for the Guling-Guling Festival motivates us to elevate our presentations year after year. To the Diocese of Lawag, led by Bishop Renato Mayugba and Monsignor Walde Batuon, we are deeply thankful for allowing us to celebrate amidst the sacred beauty of the Poway Church. This historic structure, standing as the UNESCO World Heritage Site, serves as a powerful reminder that faith and culture are intertwined in the very fabric of our community. Kakailia, itiiling nga Poway, kanayon ko ngay bagbaga, awan tagaili, awan taga-away, amin tagapaway. The Guling-Guling Festival is a proof that when we come together, we create something extraordinary. Our resilience, dedication, and unity make this celebration a resounding success year after year. Guling-Guling cements all of us. We do not see division. We see one family here tonight, one community, one home. As our past festival judges have suggested, one of the best ways to preserve our cultural traditions is by instilling them in the heart of our youth. This is why we have worked to involve our elementary and high school students in the street dance competition. Through their performances, they not only showcase the richness of our heritage, they become its future guardians. Today, graceful dancers will one day the storytellers and tradition bearers of Paway. To our contingents, dancers and craftsmen, your dedication, sacrifices, and passion do not go unnoticed. We deeply appreciate the tireless efforts you have poured in this celebration. Thank you very much.